How to stop a panic attack. Step-by-step grounding techniques. Welcome to MD Talk Explainer, where we break down real-world health topics in a calm, straightforward way. If you've ever had a panic attack, you know how overwhelming it feels. Rapid heartbeat, chest tightness, dizziness, feeling like you're losing control, or something terrible is about to happen. Here's the truth. Panic attacks feel dangerous, but they are not life-threatening. You can regain control. Let me walk you through proven grounding techniques you can use anywhere. Step 1. Name what's happening. Start by reminding yourself, this is a panic attack. My body is safe. It will pass. Just labeling the experience reduces the brain's alarm response. Step 2. Control your breath. Box breathing. Let's slow the system down. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 6, and pause for 2. Longer exhales tell your nervous system to stand down. Do this for 3 to 5 cycles. Step 3. Drop into your body. 5 to 4 to 3 to 2, 1 grounding. Shift your attention away from the spiral and back to your senses. Say out loud or in your mind, 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, 1 thing you can taste. This pulls your brain out of future danger mode and into the present moment. Step 4. Temperature. Reset. A quick temperature change snaps your nervous system out of fight or flight. You can splash cold water on your face, hold an ice cube, step outside for cool air. Step 5. Anchor with movement. If you feel restless, let your body move in a controlled way. Press your feet firmly into the ground, stretch your hands, roll your shoulders, walk slowly around the room. Intentional movement burns off adrenaline and restores control. Step 6. Repeat your safety statement. Close the loop by telling yourself, my body is reacting, but I am safe. This will pass. I've gotten through this before. When to seek help. If panic attacks happen often, interfere with daily life, or make you fear leaving the house, talk to a clinician or therapist. Treatment is effective, and you don't have to handle this alone. Disclaimer: MD Talk Explainer is for education only. This video does not provide personal medical or mental health advice and does not create a doctor-patient relationship. If you're struggling with anxiety or panic attacks, reach out to your clinician, therapist, or local healthcare provider. Thanks for watching MD Talk Explainer.